Traders are watching the market and setting up for the election. Let's check in now with Michele Schneider, Managing Director of the Market Gauge Group. Good to see you here, Michele. And what do you see happening in the stock market? Where is the money flowing?
Well, last week, even though NASDAQ got hit particularly hard and the market had a big sell-off, if you look at the sectors that we like to watch, that really, I think, represent the economy more than, let's say, the FANG stocks, and that would be transportation, the small caps, retail, and now even the banks, they all dropped to weekly support. And you have to go a little bit longer term in order to understand whether or not something is really liquidating and melting down or just selling off as a natural correction. So we were encouraged by that. And we look at today's Monday's rally as a way of saying that there's still a lot of people who believe in the market regardless of who wins.
What would be your strategy for handling some of the wild swings in the market?
Well, when we were floor traders, we would use an opening range, which was a very short-term way of the market opening and then reopening and using that range to establish whether something was clearing it or breaking down. So we're going to look at the same thing, only this time on a weekly basis. So considering the election is November 3rd, the week starts at November 1st and ends at November 6th, we're going to look at it as a 5-day opening range. So in other words, whatever happens next Monday on the range from the week of the election, you either follow through up if it takes out the highs, or you can either sell if it takes out the lows, or wait for some kind of support level to be established under that. And this is a good reset. And this isn't the first election that we have a possibility, too, of not knowing right away who the winner is.
What do you suspect could happen with the stock market if there's no clear-cut winner by this time tomorrow?
Well, if we can remember ancient history, it was when Bush was facing Gore. They did not have a clear winner on that because it went to the Supreme Court until December. But somehow the market still managed to function. So that's why we're really going to take this week as our range and then see what happens next Monday for new swing positions.
Well, thanks so much, Michele, for sharing your strategy with us.
Thank you so much, Angie. Have a great week.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.